Hey folks, welcome back to the channel. Today I have a good news for you. The most anticipated Fydeos 18 has been released, and in this video we'll dive deep into the world of Fydeos 18 and find out the new features and updates of Fydeos 18. So buckle up and let's get started. Chromium is updated to 120.0.06099 with many new features synced from the stream. Fydeos version 18 elevates your virtual desktop functionality, streamlining multitasking with effortless navigation. These enhancements support swift transitions between diverse workspaces, amplifying efficiency whether for professional tasks or personal enjoyment. Experience the transformed control center, designed with the latest material design principles for improved layout and intuitive operation. The new quick setting view brings you straightforward notifications and easy access to controls, ensuring a seamless and productive user experience. The clipboard history now includes a handy Windows key plus B or Command key plus B shortcut, providing the enriched item previews and simplified management, enhancing user convenience and productivity. The file application search feature has been substantially refined, with the interaction of search filter enabling precise filtration by file type, date, and location. Searching for files is now more intuitive, with advanced filtering options to help you find exactly what you need when you need it. Introduced color correction settings to support color blindness modes and grayscale display, enhancing accessibility. User can adjust the filter intensity in the display and magnification section under accessibility settings. Based on material design, the media playback control has been completely revamped, further optimizing user interaction. The new interface and control options can be manually enabled through. If you have OpenGApps configured and you've updated this release via OTA, you will find the Play Store may stop working. In this case, you need to rerun the configured OpenGApps to reinstall the OpenGApps to make the Play Store work again.